Hello folks, welcome back to the Blessed Performance YouTube channel. Today we're going to teach you how to find the information you need to give us for your custom tunes for your 6.0 Power Strokes and load them onto your device. Just got your new device in the mail, or you already have a device and you want to get some 6.0 Power Stroke custom tunes from us. So you go on our website, there's a couple pieces of information we need. First piece of information we need is your VIN number, obviously, your make, model of your truck. We need to know the tire size, the modifications list, any modifications that are not factory. So anything different than the factory stuff that the truck was built from the factory with. Then we need to know the serial number of the device. This seems to confuse a lot of folks. When you go on the device under device info, it's going to give you the SCT serial number. It's not going to give it to you in the correct format. So, Jonathan, if you'll scoot in here, on the bottom of your box, there's a serial number right there. Or on your device, on the back of your device, there's a serial number as well. For reference, the old school handheld X3s, they start with an SCT serial number of XP. The SCT X4s start with an X4. The BDX starts with a serial number of BD. There's an ITSX that is not being made anymore, and it starts with IT. The GTX starts with VM. Those are not produced anymore, but if you still have one, you're one of the lucky people that got one that works properly. Good to go. And the LIVEWIRE has LT on it. Okay, so if you don't see a serial number that starts with one of those two digits across the board, then you don't have the correct serial number. If you see a serial number that starts with SCTLT, that's not a correct serial number. But we run into this problem a lot on the website. Folks will enter the wrong serial number and we just go back and forth a few times until we get the correct one. Just trying to help you guys out so you can get your stuff faster. Most folks want to get their tunes like as soon as possible. Totally respect it. We're the same way. We want to get them to you. So if we get us the right information, we can make sure we get that. So there's the ECU and the TCU strategy. That stands for engine control unit or transmission control unit. It can also be called an ECM or a TCM. The GTX calls it those two. The other devices don't. So what you'll do is you'll hook your device to your truck. It'll be an OBD port, obviously. Ours is disconnected, or else I'd hook it up for you. But you'll hook your device up to your truck and you go under vehicle information. It'll be under in the settings on all of these devices. It says vehicle information. In there you're going to find ECU strategy and TCU strategy. That's what you'll enter into our website. Or if you were to purchase one of these devices, or purchase tunes or turbos or injectors from us, and we send you a list of information that we need from you to write your tunes, it's going to say ECU strategy and TCU strategy. To find those, you find them on your device under vehicle info or vehicle information. Okay, so you've got us that whole list of information. You've emailed it back to us. You've entered your order on the website. You're waiting for the tunes to come in. Excited. You want to get them on your truck. What can you do to be ready? So this is what you can do to be ready. Alrighty, so we're on SCT's website. If you guys look, it's called sctflash.com. This is a free service, a free software you can purchase. Alrighty, so it doesn't matter which device, honestly, it's all the same one. But for reference, we're going to do a LiveWire, so I bought a LiveWire. I'm going to click on this. I bought the LiveWire from Blessed Performance. To get the custom tunes with purchase, I need to come over here and I need to download the software to allow me to load my tunes to my device once they get in my email. We have the live link for the download. The live link is a way that you can hook your device to your truck and your laptop all in conjunction, and essentially you can live data log your truck driving. Good way for you to learn. Sometimes it's used in situations where we need more data in order to figure out what's going on with your truck. Either way, I still recommend playing with it. It's a cool feature. It's a really cool feature to have. Right over here is the one that you need. It's called the updater. Alrighty. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this. We're going to download this on my computer right now. There we go. Now I'm going to click on this. I'm going to open this up. Alrighty. It's going to give you, do you want to allow this app to make changes? You're going to say yes. Alrighty, it's starting to download onto your computer now. And we're going to hit next. We're going to install. Perfect. That went pretty dang fast. It's updating right now, just extracting, doing its whatever it's got to do. Just keep hitting next and install until it installs. Install. All right. Awesome. Cool, in that time that it took you to download that, whoa, we got an email. Look at there. We got some tunes for our LiveWire right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click this little arrow button right here. We're just gonna download it to the computer. You don't wanna move it anywhere. You don't wanna do anything crazy with it. All you want to do is download it to your laptop or your computer, your desktop, whichever route you wanna go with this. Alrighty? So now that we've got that all done, I'm gonna close this. So now that we've got all those windows closed, we're gonna go in here. There it is, device updater. Okay, so I found the device updater on this computer because it's a Windows 11 one. It was in that weird, funny, I'm still learning how to use Windows 11. I have Windows 10 on everything else. But anyways, you just gotta find the device updater. And then what you're gonna do, in the box, there's this cord right here, okay? Pretty straightforward. You're gonna plug this into your USB right over here. And then on your device, which this is still in the box, but on your device, you're gonna find this mini USB adapter. You're gonna plug that in. You'll see a red and the green, and then the device will be lit up when you're using this. While it's in the box, it works out pretty well. Yes. Let's see if it wants to open. It does. Let me close this out. Oh, what the heck. Okay, so now we got this bad boy open right here. Okay, here, I'll take this back. So this is pretty straightforward right here. There's this automatically check for updates. I highly suggest to always check for updates before you load custom tunes. Okay, so we're checking this one. This device is up to date. Awesome. Okay, one more little tip. Say you have been running somebody else's tune, some other company's tune, which there's a lot of great companies out there that do tunes, but say you were running somebody else's, you're like, I want to give Blessed Performance a try. So you go ahead and you go online, you buy some tunes. Always make sure that you return your truck to stock before loading tunes to the device. If you do not, it will cause the device to lose the stock file and then brick itself, and then it won't know that it was originally hooked to your truck, which then your ECM, your truck will be stuck on that tune until you get with us, get with SCT, and we can help you fix that. But essentially, you need to return the truck to stock before you go and do any updates or any loading of tunes, anything of that sort. You need to make sure that you return your truck to stock before you do that. Okay, so now we know that we have already gotten our tunes. So what we're gonna do is, we already checked for updates. We're gonna go right here. We're gonna hit load custom tune file. It's gonna gather device information. Basically, it's connecting to the device. And what you're gonna do, there's two things you can go up here. You can click locate custom tunes. And sometimes, some computers it'll find it, some it won't, okay? The other thing that it can do, the way that I like to show folks to do it is you go right here to browse. You go to browse, you go to your download folder, because we just clicked download. We didn't do anything with them, we didn't try to open them, we didn't do anything crazy. All we did was download them. Okay, you see those 3 files right there? Now, you can see other things, you can't do anything. You need to grab the CEF files. So first you're gonna do is you're gonna grab TOBOS, click it on there, add to device, click program. And it takes a few seconds to do what it's doing. Boom, that one's done. Go back to browse, grab Ecobee Street, add to device, program, and that one's done. Back to browse, Blessed Extreme Performance, add to device, program, and there we go. So it's doing the final tune right now. Green bar coming up here to let you know that it's loading properly. It says custom tune programming complete. Boom, you're done. So now all of our tunes are on this device. If you were doing this on your own, you would have the device out of the box, obviously. This is just for sample to show you guys how to do this. Now we can take this device, hook it to a truck with your OBD2 cord to HDMI. You'll go in there, you'll hit program vehicle, and you scroll down, you'll see, of course, you see the canned SCT tunes, but if you keep scrolling, you'll see the custom tune. You will go underneath the custom tune that you would like, click enter, it'll ask you to turn the key on and off. Do you want to do this? Are you sure you want to do this? Ask you a few times, you'll say yes, turn key on and off a few times, and then from there, it'll load the tune to your truck, and then go out and enjoy it. It seems like a daunting task, but in today's world, using email is very common. So I hope this video helps you guys. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We'll have this video available at all times, and we can walk you through it over the phone. It's a pretty straightforward process. Be sure to click like, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff. Go to our Instagram, our Facebook, TikTok. Give us a follow. We greatly appreciate all the support. Have a blessed day.